HTML Ethiopia. Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this tutorial we will going to see how to make this kind of navigation bar. Let us get started. Before getting started, let me tell you about HTML Ethiopia's new channel, HTML Ethiopia Music. This channel makes music usually remix. So the channel link will be in the description. Okay, now create your own file as .html. So as usual, click Shift+1. Create a navigation tag. And create a alt tag inside. And then the list tag or li and also link or is a. Type your name inside. Copy paste the text and edit the texts. Then go to the CSS or style tag, right star, and inside make margin and padding 0. And box sizing border box to make the position correct. And write text decoration none. So the link of that we write there will not be underlined. You can import your font family from Google Fonts, link in the description. Then view your site. Now let us edit the CSS of nav, edit the color and also the padding. Then let us edit the CSS up to list. But I does not write it because I am not talking about the inside text. So display all the text as inline text and margin 12px. Or the distance between the texts. Set the position as relative. And write the positions in the left and top with pixels. And you can see the changes. Now I will include a to specify the text specifically. Font size will be 28 pixels. A little bigger. And color, you can choose your own color. see the changes. Now I am going to add this text in the header navigation. Write image, then write your source. SRC means source. Type your image including its format such as PNG, JPG. And if the image is in the folder, write your folder name / the image with its format. Now let us edit the image in CSS. We will go to the CSS and we will specify as NAVL an image. Position will be absolute. Now the animation part. NAVL lia and then 2: after. Content will be empty. Height 3 pixels. Width will be 0. Position absolute. Left 0 and bottom is -10 px. And right background. Choose your background. Transition 0.5 seconds. And then hover after with 100%. And done.